Alright, so I'm just going to clean up this wood here, push it off to the side, clean those rocks up, and kind of prep this to finish it, to get some grass seed down. So there's a few spots, there's a few pieces of logs and some rocks to get out of here. And then I'll start spreading some of this material on the hillside here. Alright, so got the side done, all that packed in. Just got to clean up the middle here, moving these logs. Now I got to go and move those big rocks over there. I'm trying my best not to crush these things. They make nice posts, so I'm trying to just gently grab them. It's hard. I mean, this thumb's got so much power. Gouge them up too much. I'm gonna have to sand the crap out of them if I do that, and there'll be scars on them. Trying to just be real gentle with them. And the bark will protect it a little bit, but I mean, this thumb again has so much power. If I'm not careful, I could just crush it. Those are nice logs. right. So I'm gonna spread some of this material around this tree. I gotta cut some of this first.